Hi everyone, I'm Kath. I'm a public health nutritionist working at Food Bank in WA at the Geraldton branch. Today I'll be doing some cooking demo from our delicious cooking recipes that we've developed at Food Bank. Did you know that Food Bank WA is the state's largest food relief organization, and it provides over 6 million meals to families and people in need? In Geraldton, we rely on rescued and donated products that would otherwise go to landfill. And food insecurity, as you probably know and are aware, is increasing at the moment. So we do rely on fundraising and to purchase the food to provide to these families and charities. So today, we're going to be cooking our crazy corn dip, and it comes from our Healthy Recipes for All, one of these books that we developed for our Food Sensation for Adult program that is currently funded by Department of Health. So this is the recipe we'll be cooking. Our Food Sensations for Adult program is a program that runs for 4 weeks. It's a free program, and it normally runs over 4-week sessions, as I said, of 2.5-hour sessions, where we talk about nutrition, and then we go in the kitchen to cook all together. Because of the current COVID-19 at the moment, we have put our program online, so you are welcome to join us for a Food Sensation for Adult online. So let's get cooking. I'll put my apron on. I've washed my hands, so we're ready to get in our kitchen. So our dip, we'll need some veggie sticks, and the veggies have already been pre-cut, and I have also a carrot here to keep on chopping. So what I normally do when I cut, I always put the flat part on the board so it doesn't roll, and there's less chance of cutting your fingers, because you see that'd be easy to cut. And then I add to my little sticks. With my cucumber, to make it pretty, I normally just cut a little bit of the peel. I try to keep the peel because it's full of dietary fiber and it's really healthy. My veggies also have lots of vitamins and minerals to help me keep fighting. There you go. And to make my dip, I need a bowl. I will be using yogurt and cream cheese instead of sour cream. So the idea behind that is to make sure that I have plenty of calcium and proteins instead of the fat, the saturated fat that I would need normally in, I would have normally in my mayonnaise or my sour cream. So I will put 1 cup of my yogurt in my bowl. And don't be shy to use plenty of yogurt, natural yogurt. That way I don't have all the added sugar that flavored yogurt would have. And I need about half a packet of that cream cheese. And I've chosen the light one, so I cut back a little bit on the fat content. I need 125 grams of that cream cheese. So that's roughly half of this packet, because that was 250 grams. It's giving me a bit of trouble here. There we go. Okay. And then the idea is to mix it nicely so it's nice and smooth. And once I've done that, I can then add my 1/4 cup of corn kernels. Now, with your corn, you can always choose the no added salt to it. That's about 1/4 cup. And I've already drained the water to speed up the recipe. So I've put my corn in, and I'll put a little bit of corn relish that I've gotten at the shop this morning, about 1/3 cup. And I'll add that up. So pretty simple and really tasty. And then I've put a little bit of my sweet chili sauce, about 1/8 cup, so that'd be 1/4 cup. And all mix that together. And then, to make it even yummier, I will add a little bit of shallots or chives to my dip. And I will also add some garlic. So just be careful in this here, because sometimes the knife might slip and you might end up chopping fingers, which is not great, having a trip to the hospital. And there's my garlic. Really finely chopped once again. And give it a good stir to mix all the flavors through. And now I'm ready to make it pretty. So having dips is a great way to increase your veggie intake. Did you know that we need about 5 serves a day? So a serve is either a cup of raw veggies. So the way I normally explain it is that a cup would be my 2 hands together of raw veggies, so about a bit less than that, or half a cup of cooked veggies. So that would be a serve. So if I'm thinking that I'm going to have veggies with a dip as a snack, that's a great way to increase my veggies in my diet today. So I'm putting my carrot sticks, my celery, and I've also chopped up some cucumber. And you could put some capsicum to put a bit of red, or a little bit of tomatoes. So a rainbow here in my plate, and I'm going to put a little bit of crackers, not too many, because I really want to stick to the veggies. And there's my little dip here made today for you, the crazy corn dip, as I said. And you have it here in our healthy recipes for all. All these recipes are online on our website at superherofoods.hq.org.au, or you can do a food sensation for adult search, and that's going to also take you to our website. So I encourage you to add extra veggies to your day by having some dips, by having them in the morning as well. If you're having eggs instead of bacon, you could have mushrooms or tomatoes. Have a garden salad on the side of your plate. So for example, if you have a plate, make sure that you put lots of veg. Half of your plate should have those veggies, either cooked or raw, and then a little bit of your carbs, a little bit of your protein food. By the way, this plate comes in our resource kit that people will get at the end of the 3 weeks program, or online, or the 4 weeks program face-to-face when it comes back to that. That's all for now, but please stay tuned for more to come. And from myself and the Food Bank team, please stay safe, stay healthy, and stay connected. We'll see you next time.